In this video, I will show you how to create tree map chart in Microsoft Word. So click on Insert, then Chart, and here select tree map. Click on OK. So guys, you have now sample data with Excel worksheet. Here guys, you can make changes according your need. Once you done changes, exit. You can change style. You can add some more options. Here you can change color combination. You can change style. Again, you need to change your Excel data or this chart data. So double click on this corner and edit data. Then make changes here. Then exit. So this is the way you can change. So this is the way you can create this tree map chart in Excel and in the Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.